Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Vivo Y39 files are accessible and indexed. This saves time during deep scans. Once done, open Circle and create a new search session. Use Ctrl+N if you prefer shortcuts. Make sure to set the correct channel, a reasonable time range, and sampling rate such as 0. 5 to 100 Hz so results match physiological bandwidth. Also pick an initial filter and name the session clearly, because consistent naming helps later when you compare runs and refine parameters. You now refine the search by applying effective filters and matching strategies. First, set bandpass and notch filters to remove line noise, then enable artifact rejection to discard movement spikes. Next, choose template matching or numerical thresholds tailored to Y39 signatures. Adjust sensitivity until you balance hits versus false positives. If files are large, enable parallel threads or GPU acceleration to speed processing. Finally, save the filter set as a preset so you can reproduce the search across sessions and data. You finish by validating and exporting the results. Step through each hit using the waveform view and metadata panel to confirm Y39 criteria. Look at shape, timing, and signal to noise. Once validated, export selected hits to CSV or your database with timestamps and session ID for traceability. If you encounter too many false positives, recalibrate thresholds and rerun the filtered search. Conversely, relax sensitivity if you miss true events. Make sure to document the final preset so future searches are identical.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.